True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Anyone I watch from yard or abroad, big up on yourself. So now don't know, this channel is all about Jamaica guys. So I am in the Junction area in St. Elizabeth. You know we call here the bread basket. St. Elizabeth is the bread basket, and you know Junction is a town where you know develop very fast. Yeah man, so I'm giving a tour of Junction. I would like to take you all to Manchester area guys. So this is a road trip you can look and learn something about taking the drive from Junction St. Elizabeth to Mandeville, Manchester guys. So thank you for stopping by. Yeah man, so I don't know, just enjoy St. Elizabeth with Fire Reid on a tour guide. So it's not really a busy day today in Junction. So you know in the Junction area, a lot of farmers in the Junction side. So big up all the farmers them in the Junction, you know. Big up on yourself. So guys, you all can tell me what you think about Junction town. You know, normally we give an update on each town. So tell me what you think about the Junction town guys, because a lot of people from overseas are request a video here, so they want it. From Junction side to Mandeville, they would like to know how to view the place from Junction to Mandeville guys. So here is it. Yeah man, now if you care for the elder people, them, you know, care for everyone, kids, everybody around us. So guys, if you make the right turn, yeah man, you see where the car make the bus make the right turn, will take you all to Bull Savannah, BB Coke School and place there, and also to the fire station or junction and thing. Going down straight will take us to the police station side, and also going to Lititz. Yeah man, I don't know say you have a KFC in Junction also. Yeah man, but you can check the videos then before. But this video I do from Junction go to Junction St. Elizabeth to Manchester guys. So because this one is gonna be a little bit longer video, you know, we're not gonna really drive the regular speed as usual. You know, some areas we have to take up a little bit more speed than normal guys. But you know, we still see the place same way. Still have an idea how Jamaica look from the Junction side to Manchester guys. You can go to the Alpart side, go up Gutters side. So you can take through Lititz, go through Nain. So you can go through Plowden, and go up them hill, the Cross Keys, Manchester guys. But take it from this side, you know. So guys, you know what to do if you learn something about Jamaica, and if you want to share the channel, you know what to do. If you want to like the channel, you know what to do. Yeah man, so you can press up the like button. So big up all of the garbage collector, them big up on yourself. Always I keep the place clean, so big up on yourself, you know. Winter and sun, dead house on your left. If you make the left turn, we'll take you all to Red Bank and also Morning Side them place there. You know a lot of person here about Red Bank. Yeah man, so this will take you back to Red Bank if you make the left turn, guys. So my GPS saying I'm driving on Junction Main Road. Yeah man, so I drive on the Junction Main Road. So we're having some nice weather today, guys. I think we're in the Lititz area, guys. Yeah man, Lititz. So if we make the left turn, guys, we'll take on the place them call them Alpart, them place the chain line where you get the cow skin soap. We're taking it through Lititz. Yeah man, just view the place with Fire Reid and know how to get around Jamaica, guys. I remember when you're driving in Jamaica, you have a lot of taxi drivers. They might keep on boop and keep on blow them horn and if you don't feel cold before they come off of the road, just take a little pace and drive a little time and go about to no business. Don't worry about those taxi drivers. They really this no taxi man still, but taxi man not drive them always not haste. Big up all the biker guys, big up on yourself. Lititz auto repair on your left, guys. I see where you say slow. You need to drive slow in this area, not too fast. And also you have a liquor store in Lititz. If you want your liquor, you can come in the Lititz area. On your left, you have the New Hope apartment. Very nice apartment, guys.
Downs Road.
So I'm gonna take the right turn. Yeah man, so I'm gonna come off a Lititz road. So to Downs in Manchester. You all supposed to know about Downs in Manchester, guys.
Continue on Lititz to Downs Road for 800 meters.
So guys, if you want to come from Mandeville side, you know how to reach to Junction. If you know you're coming from Junction side, you know how to reach to Mandeville. Because you know you have a lot of attraction in the St. Elizabeth.
300 meters, continue straight.
In the St. Elizabeth area. In the Treasure Beach side, you have a lot of attraction there. Have a lot of attraction right in St. Elizabeth right there. You know, you have lashings, also Jack Sprat.
Continue straight.
77 West. GX on the beach. So I'm gonna make a left turn, guys.
Continue for 9 kilometers.
So guys, remember to look out for them bike guys here, you know, because some of the time them ride very careless on the road and cause accident. And most of the time when you meet in an accident with a bike guy, a bike person, some of the time they don't have no insurance for them bike, and it's very hard for the insurance to deal with your company. If you deal with them company, it's gonna be very hard. So sometimes all the problem will come down upon you, so you just have to be careful with those bike guys. But most of the time they are not careful. That is one also. You see what I'm saying? Full speed ahead. So guys, we're in the Log Hood area. Yeah man, so them call a place here Log Hood. So big up to all of the hustlers them in the street. Yeah, big up on yourself. Bossy I walk with him breadfruit and watermelon. So you're up on the countryside you can get the different types of fruit, you know. So guys, we're in the Prospect area. Church of God in Jamaica, Prospect on your left. On your left, you have the Prospect Primary School of Choice. Yeah, man. So on your left, you have the Prospect Primary School of Choice, you know. Big up all of the people them are who go to Prospect Primary School from back in the days. Like we getting rain somewhere, but I cannot say. So guys, if you don't know, so we get some rain. No, so I cannot give you the road trip, go to Manchester, guys. So if you make the left turn, guys, will take you back to Alpart. On your right, you have the Big Lot Auto Repair. So if you want your car parts, you can come a Big Lot Auto. I think it's gutters, yeah man, gutters, you know. So if you want your coconut water, guys, you can get your coconut water right in this area. Yeah man, you know, say on our journey we have to wash off the heart. Yeah man, so we can get you the coconut water in that area. Now the gutters area, guys. So straight ahead of us is the Texaco gas station, guys. If you make the left turn, it will take you back to Santa Cruz. So I'm going to make the right turn, it will take us to Spur Tree Hill. Yeah man, you know, say Manchester area, guys. So you see the sign said, welcome to Manchester Yardman. So guys, we are now in Manchester, guys. So we are now entering Spur Tree Hill. So on your right, you have the Mount Pella subdivision, guys. So this area in Spur Tree Hill, guys, this is where you can get your boiled corn. Yeah man, get your boiled corn, also your peanut porridge, and further up on the hill you can get also your curry goat. So this is where you can get your managed water, guys. Yeah man, so you have to watch out for them drivers up on the road now. So them drive, you know. You have to look out for them. On your right, you have the all-season restaurant. Yeah, man, it's a jerk center also. You can get your jerk pork and also your jerk chicken. So guys, this is a hill. A lot of people afraid of the Spur Tree Hill. A lot of people afraid of Spur Tree Hill. It's an accident area, guys. So this is the hill that I'm afraid of when I'm calling them Spur Tree Hill. But you can check out some videos alone. You can see Spur Tree Hill on my playlist. But this is Spur Tree Hill, guys. Yo. So guys, we're heading to the place where we have the best curry goat. Well, and Spur Tree Hill, guys. Yeah, we're gonna pass them places too, you know. So we're driving on A2. On your right, you have the curry goat stop. On your right, curry goat and fried chicken. Yeah, man, police up on the road. Police is on the road, guys. If you make the left turn, will take you all to Chivley. And one place them call name California. Not California in America, but California in Manchester, guys, Jamaica. So we're heading towards the Kingsland area. Now if you blow no hands, them people here come out, you know, guys. Blow them and make them know say on the on the road too. So on your right, you have the Kingsland Meadows. Nice little housing scheme over there, so the Kingsland Meadows, you know. So guys, I can't done tour Jamaica. So many places to go in Jamaica, guys. So many places. So many different routes you can take to reach to your destination. If you don't understand what I say, but try know which one to take and also the best route to take when you're in Jamaica. Look upon them beautiful house here in Jamaica, guys, in Manchester area, guys. Yeah, man, very close to the Abbey Garden turn off. You know, saying Abbey Garden, you have an organic farm over Abbey Garden, guys. Getting a strawberry also when you're in Abbey Garden. So guys, welcome to Mandeville. Welcome to Mandeville, guys. Mandeville, Manchester, in the Hartsfield area. So welcome again. Anyone who watch from, big up on yourself. This one is a very long one, so thank you all. Yeah, man, hang on for the journey with Fire Reid taking it into Mandeville, guys. So keep in the Mandeville town area, guys. So keep on watching. So we're heading to Greenvale roundabout and A2, guys. Greenvale roundabout A2. On your right, I think you have the Tropics View Hotel on your right. So if you want some place to stay in Mandeville, you can come to the Tropics View Hotel. So guys, if you make the left turn where you see that guy is coming from, that will take you all to Greenvale. Greenvale, guys. So we are now entering into the roundabout of Greenvale roundabout. If you take the first exit, it will take you on to Winston Jones Highway. You take your second exit, it will take you back to Mandeville town, guys. So I will take the second exit, guys. upon that truck there, guys. Look upon them overtake ya. Look upon them overtaking ya, guys. On your right, that's where you turn off to go to the Mega Mart supermarket in the Mandeville, Manchester, guys. My GPS say I'm driving on Perth Road.